Have you ever mixed condensed milk with cornmeal? For sure, you're going to be surprised with the result. Add 2 cups of cornmeal to a bowl and 400 grams of condensed milk. Yeah, I bet you're thinking, this can't be right. But actually, this cake is really different and so tasty. Then add 400 grams of heavy cream. You're gonna be shocked with how easy this recipe is, everyone. After that, mix it all together. So our mixture should be really smooth like this. Now add 60 grams of grated coconut. This will add a special touch to our cake. This recipe is full of delicious ingredients actually. Condensed milk, grated coconut, delicious. So once you've done that, just add a tablespoon of baking powder. And that's it, everyone. This cake is very easy to make. There's no secret to it at all. Another practical recipe for you all to make at home and share with your friends and family. Now we're going to add the mixture to the cake tin. This one is already greased with butter and corn flour, okay? And the oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So the mixture should be thick like this, okay? It's because of the coconut, but just use a spatula to help you spread out the mixture. Now leave it in the oven for about 30 minutes, depending on your oven. And there you go, our cake is ready. It looks beautiful. This cake rose really well. It looks amazing. And this cake has no wheat flour, so it's gluten-free, which is really cool. And look at this, everyone. Perfect with your tea or coffee, and the smell is wonderful. Absolutely marvelous. Now you try it at home.